Mayday, mayday, mayday. Frontier Flight 3546, we've suffered an engine failure. We have 152 souls on board. Fuel is 9,280 pounds.
You said 9,082 pounds?
9,320 pounds, Frontier Flight 3546.
Frontier 3546, and you just need to continue your descent, or?
Yes, ma'am. At this stage, we'll continue our descent. We've lost the number 2 engine, Frontier Flight 3546.
And Frontier 3546, say your intentions.
Yeah, ma'am. At this stage, our intentions are to continue to JFK for a landing on 13 left, Frontier 3546.
Frontier 3546, contact New York Center 118.9 or 7. Or 7.
1189 or 7, Frontier Flight 3546. Hello, New York, Frontier Flight 3546 is a mayday aircraft leveling 190. Intentions are landing 13 left, JFK.
Frontier Flight 3546, clear direct to Kennedy Airport.
Clear direct to Kennedy Airport, Frontier Flight 3546.
And Frontier Flight 3546 is going to maintain 1000 and speed at your discretion.
1000 on discretion, Frontier Flight 3546. And if you could advise something for us, that's it.
We'll go.
Just verify, can you figure that out one more time?
11,000.
1000.
Frontier Flight 3546, the Kennedy altimeter is 2970. And Frontier Flight 3546, let me know when you got a second to get a couple pieces of info from you.
Alright, we'll give you just
Frontier Flight 3546, contact New York approach on 128.12. They are aware of the situation, and that info I was looking for earlier, you can just give to them whenever you have time.
Roger that. 2812, Frontier Flight 3546. Good day, New York approach, Frontier Flight 3546, 16,600, descending 11,000. And you guys need some information from us?
I do, but first, Frontier 3546, Steve, yours is going to maintain 3,000. You can go as fast as you'd like. Expect ILS 13 left.
Roger, 3,000, we'll expect ILS 13 left. And you guys need some information from us?
Yeah, so the, which engine's out?
Engine 1 is running, engine 2 is not running. We seem to have like a fuel leak apparently, and it just quit on us.
All right, that sounds good. Frontier 3546, fuel installed on board for at this point.
Currently 152 souls, and fuel on board we have about an hour and a half, or 2 hours.
Roger, thank you. And when you have a chance, in pounds for me on the fuel.
New York approach, Cathay 30, maintaining 8,000, heading 180.
That was lost. Cathay, stand by. Frontier 3546, go ahead. That was lost.
That was about 9,000 pounds, Frontier Flight 3546.
Thank you very much. Frontier 3546, present heading, maintain 3,000. I'm going to move everybody out of the way.
Thanks. Present heading down to 3,000, Frontier Flight 3546.
And Frontier 3546, if you can get down faster, I can get you in quicker. I just cleared everybody out of the way, so you're number 1.
Okay, we're going down fast to Frontier Flight 3546.
Correction, Frontier 3546, left heading 250, S-turn for your descent.
Left heading 250, Frontier 3546.
Descent.
Left heading 250, Frontier 3546.
And Frontier 3546, if you can get down faster, I can get you in there.
Wilco, man, we're coming down as quick as we can, thanks. Frontier 3546.
If you need some delays, I can get you, I'll delay you.
No, we're fine, thanks, man. Frontier 3546.
Thanks. Frontier 3546, turn right heading 020.
Flight heading 020, Frontier 3546.
And Frontier 3546, contact approach 132.4.
132.4, Frontier 3546. Kennedy approach, good afternoon, it's Mayday aircraft, Frontier 3546, passing 4,600 on descent 3,000, rolling out heading 020 with Bravo.
Frontier Flight 3546, thank you, Kennedy altimeter 2965, 030 heading now, and speed is your discretion, it'll be vectors to final.
2965, 030, speed at our discretion, thanks, Frontier 3546.
Frontier Flight 3546, flighting 040.
Heading 040, Frontier 3546.
Frontier Flight 3546, flighting 060.
Heading 060, Frontier 3546.
Frontier 3546, descend and maintain 2,500.
Descend and maintain 2,500, Frontier 3546.
And Frontier Flight 3546, I'm getting a low altitude alert. MVA in your area is 2,800. You can maintain 2.5 heading 110 to join, and that'll get you clear.
Alright, 2.5 and 110, Frontier 3546.
3546, maintain 2.5 till established, you're cleared ILS 13 left approach.
2.5 till established, and we're clear for the ILS 13 left approach, Frontier 3546.
Thank you, sir. Frontier Flight 3546, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1, sir.
119.1, get a Frontier 3546. Kennedy Tower, get a Mayday aircraft, Frontier 3546, cleared for the ILS, runway 13 left approach.
Frontier Flight 3546, Kennedy Tower, last fire up is a volcano loss of 10 knots reported from 1,500 feet to the surface. Kennedy wind 11024, gust 41. Kennedy 13 left, clear to land.
Understood, thanks. Runway 13 left, clear to land, Frontier 3546.
Frontier 3546, emergency equipment is standing by.
Understood, thanks, Frontier 3546. It's Frontier 3546. Can you give us an appreciation of the rain over the field this time?
Frontier 3536 is light to moderate over the field right now.
Understood, thanks, Frontier 3546.
Frontier Flight 3546, can you exit the runway or do you need to come to a stop?
Yeah, so we can make a right turn, present position, Frontier 3546.
Frontier 3546, roger, right turn Delta, right turn taxiway Alpha, right turn Alpha, and do you require any assistance or do you want to continue to the ramp?
Right turn Delta, right turn Alpha, and if they can just come and have a quick look at the engine, see that we've got no signs of fire, then we should be able to continue to the gate, Frontier 3546.
3540, make the right turn Alpha. Right turn Alpha, once you're established on Alpha, you can stop the aircraft there.
Right turn Alpha, and we'll stop the aircraft established on Alpha, Frontier 3546.
And Frontier 3546, make the right turn Alpha and go to 12165.
12165 after turning right on Alpha, thanks, Frontier 3546.